Hello to my grade 11 news to grade 11 PIN2 and grade 11 Arts and Design students. I am teacher and I will be your teacher in practical research 1 for this semester. Lesson 1 in PR1 is fusing experience and knowledge. So I will be sending the picture format along with the PDF file of this module. And then I will also send written instruction on what to submit and what are the requirements that I will be needing from you in order to compute your grade for this subject. So, practical research is one of the subjects in senior high school which aims to develop your critical thinking and problem solving skills. I know you probably heard these words before, and these two are very crucial, not only in studies, but also in your real life experiences. So you need to have these skills in order for you to survive in this ever-changing world. Sabi nga nila, as cliche as it may sound, change is the only permanent thing in this world. And how can we adapt with that changes if we don't have these skills? So these two skills are very important. And this is one of the aim of this subject, to develop your problem-solving skills and your critical thinking skills. So as you work on this module, you will encounter some difficult words, and these words play a very important role in understanding this lesson. So you may pause this video and you may answer this puzzle in your paper, and then after you're done answering it, you may now uh, uh, resume watching this video. So you can click the pause button and then resume after you are done. Okay, so let us check first what you know about research. For this also, you will need your pen and paper, and then numbered it 1 to 5, and then you may put a check on a number if you think that the sentence is true about research, and X if you think that the sentence about research is not true. So number 1, research begins with a problem. Number 1, research begins with a problem. If you think that is true, put a check in your paper, in your number 1, and then if you think it is false or it is not true, you may put an X mark on it. Number 2, research is merely gathering information. Research is merely gathering information. Number 3, research is transporting facts from one place to another. Research is transporting facts from one place to another. Number 4, research is rummaging around for hard to locate information. Research is rummaging around for hard to locate information. And last is, research is a creative and systematic work undertaken to get additional information. So you may pause this video and answer the pre-test. Okay? So you are now probably done. So let's do this initial task. So let's create a mind map about research following this step. So you need to get a bond paper, and then you can turn it sideways in landscape format, and you have to show the freedom. Nakahiga siya. You have the freedom to spread out in all directions to express it more freely and naturally. So you can use colors throughout. You can, because colors add extra vibrancy and life to your mind map. You can use image or picture for your central idea. Pwede kayong mag-cut ng mga pictures for your idea, or kasi yung sa central image yung sa gitna. And then you connect your main branch to the central image and connect your second and third level branch to the first and second. So link 2 to 3 things, ideas together. 2 to 3 things, ideas together. If you connect the branches, you will understand and remember a lot more easily when they are connected. Mas madali mo maiintindihan. So make your branches curved rather than straight line and use one keyword per line. One keyword per line. Use images throughout. So one example of mind map about research is this one. Okay, about me. So this is an example of the mind map. So this initial task, you need to do this individually and you need to submit this to me. Okay? I need this. So I will be grading this initial task, your mind map, using the following rubrics. I will be grading this using these rubrics. So for you to get 3 in the content, you need your mind map need to have details, so it must capture important information and are cohesively unified. Okay? Para naman sa creativity, dapat nag-exhibit siya ng distinct innovation to enhance the creative concepts. And then graphics. All graphics are related to the topic that make it easier to understand. Dapat pag nakita ko yung graphics, isip ko, ito pala yun. Ito yung connection niya. Okay? And then presentation. The mind map is exceptionally attractive in terms of design, layout, and neatness. So the maximum points for this output is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3, that would be 12. Okay? Okay. So, sabi knowledge of research is important to students because it helps in having a detailed analysis of things. When was when one has proper in-depth analysis of any topic, the result comes out fruitful. No? Researching knowledge of research is very important to students. Napakahalaga nito para sa inyo para magkaroon kayo ng detalyadong analysis, ah, detalyadong konsepto sa isang bagay para magkaroon kayo ng in-depth knowledge, mas malalim na pagkaintindi, okay, dun sa bagay na inyong nire-research. Okay. So, your discovery task for this learning activity sheet or for this module is to do this, is to reflect on your experience. So you can write your difficulties or challenges that you've experienced when you were doing your research during your lower years. Ano ba yung mga naranasan ninyo nung kayo ay nasa grade 7 or probably lower, no? Grade 7 to grade 10 or elementary years kung gumagawa na kayo ng research. Ano ba yung mga difficulties? Ano yung mga challenges na naranasan ninyo? No, and then sa opposite naman ng sad challenges, ano yung solutions? Kung paano niyo na-avoid yung difficulties? Ano yung ano yung ginawa ninyo para ma-overcome ninyo yung challenges na naranasan ninyo sa research? So dito yung mga challenges and difficulties, dito naman sa kabila, ano yung mga solutions na ginawa ninyo? Okay, I will also be needing this output from you pero hindi ko siya hihintay. Okay? So dito lang ako magbe-base kung ano ba yung mga kung hindi kayo nakapag-isip ng solution with that difficulties, it's okay. I will be needing this output to address those difficulties and try to susubukan natin na hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan, na maiwasan na natin yung part na masyado kayong mahirapan. Kaya I need this output from you. And then your final task is to list down naman concepts or ideas that you want to know about research. Magbasa kayo ng mga libro, mag-surf sa internet para mas maintindihan ninyo yung konsepto na gusto ninyo. And then, isulat ninyo yung mga bagay na na-found out ninyo about that concept. Okay? So, ito naman, itong final task, hindi ko rin siya lalagyan ng score, pero gagamitin ko siya para malaman ko kung ano yung mga bagay na interesado kayo, para ma-group ko kayo kung sino ba yung dapat na magkakagrupo. Although, probably yung iba sa inyo dahil EIM, interested kayo sa sa mga subjects or sa mga concepts or konsepto na related sa electrical installation and maintenance. So you can write that and research more about that. Ano kung may lumabas pa na topic na gusto niyo, pwede niyong ilagay. Yung sa UMS naman, uh, siguro you will be interested in some social studies, no? You can write that. Okay, I will take that into consideration kapag groupings na kayo. Okay? So now, uh, let us try to check yung puzzle kanina. Try natin kung na-perfect niyo yung score, no? Sa number 1, yung word is rummaging. Nakatama ba? Number 2 is cohesive. Number 3, graphics. Number 4, mind map. And number 5, innovation. Sa pretest naman natin, ang sagot naman doon is number 1, true. True yung statement. Number 2, false. Number 3, false. And number 4, false. So, X. Dapat X mark. And number 5, check as a true. Okay. Itong initial task na mind map, so yung mga sagot ninyo dito, iba-iba. So, ang kailangan ko dito is yung output ninyo ha, output ninyo. Ito yung ilalagay ko sa performance. Yung score nyo dito, gagamit yung rubric dito sa mind map. Ito namang reflect on experience, hindi ko siya lalagyan ng grade. Pero gagamitin ko siya para malaman ko kung ano ba yung mga nahirapan kayo during your lower years in terms of research. Para maiwasan na natin siya this semester, para matulungan ko kayo. And then, dito naman sa what I want to know, lalagyan niyo dito yung mga subjects, yung mga concepts na interested kayo. Okay? Gagamitin natin ito para sa next lesson at para rin sa inyong grouping. So if you have any questions, pwede kayong mag-PM sa akin, pwede kayong mag-send sa GC, pero please note na minsan yung mga PL, lalo na pag nagsasabay-sabay dahil marami kayo, natatabunan siya, no? Kaya hindi ko agad minsan nasasagot. Pero, rest assured na nagbibigay ako ng time para hanapin lahat ng messages ninyo. Pwede rin kayong mag-text sa akin, pwede rin kayong tumawag kung meron kayong clarification na gusto niyo maintindihan or may topic kayo na hindi niyo naintindihan. So, isi-send ko dito sa GC natin ang picture copy at saka ang PDF file ng Module 1 sa practical research. Bye guys! See you in the next lesson.